Welcome to Second Life Upcycling. My goal with these videos is to inspire people to rethink what's already in their wardrobe, provide tips that I use to alter clothes that don't quite fit right, and rethink fast fashion and instead purchase secondhand. In this video, I converted a shapeless dress into a wrap dress that can be adjusted to any size waist. I bought the dress for $1 from my local Salvos thrift shop. It was on the last chance rack because nobody wanted it, and you can see why. I fell in love with the fabric, which has a delicate floral design on a beautiful peppermint background. First, I decided to tuck in the collar to create a V-neck. I thought the V-neck would give the dress a softer look rather than the large external collar, which looked a bit old-fashioned. Pinning this in place, I then understitched it on the sewing machine. Next, I removed the buttons so the front top sections of the dress could work independently and therefore wrap. With everything undone and any seams at the front removed, I was able to split the front of the dress into two sections. So in theory, it was like a dressing gown without any seams at the front. I pinned and sewed the front seam where I'd removed the buttons, so there was a neat seam running all the way down the dress. Next, I cut a new hole in the waistband for the wrap belt fabric to pass through. I then stitched around the raw hole as I would a buttonhole. After trying it on, the width at the top of the dress was too wide, so there was too much fabric when I wrapped the top sections. Also, the sleeve hole was too big, making it somewhat immodest so you could see through to my bra. To fix this, I sewed a new side seam which started under the armhole. And here it is finished. Quite the transformation. What do you think? Would you have done this project differently? Should I make it shorter? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you've done something similar to an outdated or oversized dress, or if you've got a simpler method. And if you love thrifting and upcycling and want ideas on what you can do to keep clothing, furniture and other household items from ending up in landfill, make sure you subscribe for updates. See you next time.